Giving and receiving is one truth. I invite you to participate in this breathwork and guided visualization to embrace and embody a felt sense of gratitude. Let's get started. Welcome to this guided visualization for embracing and embodying gratitude. I invite you on this heart-centered journey for Breathworx614’s Wellbeing community. This guided visualization invites you into a state of love, joy, and gratitude by exploring the sacred truth that giving and receiving are one. As you breathe, connect to your heart and release fear, judgment, and worry, offering you peace, gentleness, and forgiveness in return. For giving and receiving is one truth. Through this practice, you'll awaken the light within you, restore your peace of mind, and remember that what you extend to others is exactly what is returned to you. This experience prepares your heart for deeper connection, healing, and gratitude as we move into a gratitude season. Go ahead and find a comfortable position, ensuring that your head, neck, and shoulders are in alignment with your hips. You can participate in this guided visualization either sitting or lying down. When ready, take a slow breath in and gently releasing out. Connecting with your breath, inhaling, belly fills with breath, breathing up into the chest, exhaling, chest falls, stomach falls last. Engage with your conscious breath right now, observing your breath flow through your torso, bringing expansion on the inhalation, and then bringing a relaxation or contraction on the exhalation. That's it. Allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your mind to settle. And allow your heart to open. Gratitude is at the heart of Breathworx614’s Wellbeing community, a shared field of love, connection, and upliftment. I invite you to place your palms open. As your palms are open to the heavens, just invite your breath, this time of connection with yourself, and this time of celebrating the spirit that lives within you, that lives within all of us. Allow yourself to be open to receiving. Beautiful. As you stay connected with your conscious breath, know that to give and to receive are one and the same. Two expressions of one unified truth. Truth is a state of mind, so whole, so steady, so unified, that darkness cannot enter. Breathing in and breathing out. Fear dissolves here. Doubt quiets here. Worry lifts here. This truth is light, a light that brings peace to your mind, and through you, peace to the minds of others. When your vision is led by truth, your presence becomes healing. Your breath becomes medicine. Your being becomes a blessing. I invite you to soak in this truth now. Allow the rhythm of your breath to lull you to a state of safety, of reassurance, of peace. That's it. Let your breath be soft. Let your breath be really easeful now. I invite you to take the next few cycles of breath to explore what are the qualities that accompany gratitude. Recall to mind a time you experienced gratitude. What did it feel like in your body? Observe the sensations you experienced as you reimagine this experience of gratitude. What temperature did your body experience? How did the frequency or the vibration of gratitude move throughout your being? And what does gratitude feel like to your heart? Is your heart open or receptive when experiencing gratitude? And what does gratitude feel like to your mind? What thoughts are created by the mind that is experiencing gratitude? Keep breathing, keep exploring, keep reflecting. Allow this remembering to invite a felt sense of gratitude floating throughout your body, floating throughout your being. That's it. A receiving mind and a receiving heart embodies a fullness, a richness, a state of contentment. What might you extend to others so they may experience these same feelings of well-being? Your palms wide open to the heavens. Today, simply offer peace. Notice how quickly peace returns to you. What you extend or offer, you receive in return. What might you share with another to receive it in return? What might you share with your community or the world, only to receive it back? Send this energetic prayer to another. Know that you will receive it back. Light is tranquility. In tranquility, true vision is restored. I invite you to repeat quietly within, to give and to receive are one in truth. I will receive what I am giving now. And now, breathe these offerings through your heart. Inhaling, envision your breath coming in through your heart. And as you exhale, extend this offering to another. Inhaling through your heart. Exhaling through your heart. To everyone, I offer quietness. Inhaling quietness through your heart. Exhaling, to everyone, I offer quietness. Now, inhaling gentleness through your heart. On your next inhale, inhale gentleness into your heart center. Exhaling, extending, to everyone, I offer gentleness. Inhaling gentleness through your heart. Exhaling, to everyone, I offer gentleness. And your next inhale, inhaling acceptance. Inhaling acceptance through the heart. And on the exhale, to everyone, I offer acceptance, free of judgment or criticism. Inhaling acceptance into your heart. Then exhaling it outward, extending it to another. your next inhale, I invite you to inhale forgiveness or willingness to let go. Inhaling forgiveness and exhaling, to everyone I offer forgiveness and the willingness to let go. Inhaling forgiveness and exhaling forgiveness. And on your next inhale, I invite you to inhale peace of mind. Inhaling that peace of mind. And then on your exhale, to everyone I offer peace of mind. Inhaling that peace of mind. Then exhaling, to everyone I offer peace of mind. Allow these intentions to ripple outward through your heart. Envision your heart surrounded in warmth and golden light, and the frequency of gratitude, of love and joy. His palms still extended outward, still open to the heavens, taking one more inhale. And then exhale, sharing out this vibration of gratitude, of love and joy with another. Then when you're ready, I invite you to place both palms over your heart. I encourage you to gently ask yourself right now, what do I need most? Right here, right now, in this present moment. And could others need this very same thing? Perhaps it's love. Perhaps it's reassurance. Perhaps it's kindness, compassion, patience, or even presence. Imagine holding this gift in your hands so close to your heart right now. Imagine yourself receiving this. Receiving this because you have extended it first. You receive this in everyone you meet, in everyone in your life, in everyone in your community, and everyone who crosses your path. See their hands extending it to you, and see your heart light up as you receive. It's safe to receive. And you might even now expect to receive some of the gifts that you've just given. It will return to you in the measure you offered it. Grace always flows back in equal measure. To give and to receive are one truth. And breathing in and out. To give and to receive are one in truth. Let this truth settle deep into your heart space. Let it cultivate a warm glow, a gentle fullness, a vibration of love, joy, gratitude, just expanding within you. This is you embodying a felt sense of gratitude. And when ready, I invite you to take one final deep breath in and exhale it with ease. Know this, that every act of love you offer, every breath of peace you extend, every spark of gratitude you feel, it all returns amplified to you. You are both the giver and the receiver. You are both the light and the reflection of that light. You are held. You are supported. You are guided. And you are deeply loved. When you're ready, I invite you to slowly return back here to the present moment, knowing that when you flutter your eyelids open, you are carrying this vibration with you into your day, into your relationships, and into your beautiful life. Thank you for participating in this guided visualization for embracing and embodying gratitude. I invite you to share this with another who could use it right now at this point in their life. Breathe love.